Git workflow for Cloud DevOps teams. What is a Git workflow for Cloud DevOps teams? A Git workflow for Cloud DevOps teams is the structured process used to manage application code, infrastructure code, and deployment pipelines safely using Git. It defines how cloud infrastructure is changed, how applications are updated, how bugs are fixed, how production systems are protected, why it matters for Cloud DevOps. Systems run 24/7. One mistake can break production. Cloud resources cost money. Deployments happen frequently. So workflow equals stability plus automation plus safety. Why Cloud DevOps teams need a proper Git workflow? Cloud DevOps teams usually manage application code, infrastructure as code, Terraform, ARM, CloudFormation, CI/CD pipelines, monitoring configs, secrets and environment configs. Without workflow, cross-mark accidental production outages, cross-mark broken pipelines, cross-mark configuration drift, cross-mark security risks, cross-mark merge conflicts. With workflow, check mark stable infrastructure, check mark predictable deployments, check mark safer changes, check mark easier rollback, check mark better teamwork. Typical branch structure for Cloud DevOps teams. Common structure. Main means production-ready system. Develop means active development. Feature branches means new features. Release branches means prepare deployment. Hotfix branches means urgent fixes. Example: main, develop, feature, Terraform network, feature, GitHub Actions pipeline. Release, version 3.2.0. Hotfix, load balancer fix. Why? Protects live cloud systems. Supports parallel work. Enables controlled releases. Feature branch workflow. Cloud DevOps. For each task, create branch from develop. Modify infrastructure or pipeline code. Test locally or in staging. Validate templates. Commit changes. Push branch. Open pull request. Review and merge into develop. Why? Isolates risky infrastructure changes. Prevents breaking production. Enables review. Bad practice. Cross-mark edit main directly. Cross-mark deploy without review. Good practice. Check mark one change per branch. Check mark one feature per branch. Pull requests in Cloud DevOps projects. PRs are used to review infrastructure changes, review pipeline logic, check security permissions, run automated tests, validate cloud templates. PR should include check mark clear description, check mark linked issue, ticket, check mark plan output, Terraform plan, check mark test or deployment notes. Why? Prevents outages, improves security, documents changes. Bad PR. Cross-mark no description. Cross-mark no validation. Cross-mark huge PR. Commit strategy for Cloud DevOps. Commits should be small, atomic, descriptive, good commit messages. Add auto-scaling group. Fix CI pipeline failure. Update firewall rules. Bad commit messages. Update. Fix. Final. Why? Easy rollback, easy debugging, clean history, daily workflow in Cloud DevOps teams. Typical flow: pull latest develop, create feature branch, update infra or pipeline, run validation, commit changes, push branch, create PR, review and merge. Why? Prevents conflicts, keeps changes isolated, keeps systems stable. Hotfix workflow for Cloud DevOps teams. When production breaks, create hotfix branch from main. Fix configuration or script. Test quickly. Create PR. Merge into main. Merge into develop. Why? Fast recovery. Keeps branches aligned. Prevents repeat failures. Example: Hotfix, K8's ingress bug. Release strategy for Cloud DevOps. Releases should be planned, tested, versioned. Good approach. Create release branch. Freeze changes. Run full pipeline. Deploy to staging. Deploy to production. Tag version. Example. Release, version 4.1.0. Why? Safe deployments. Easy rollback. Clear version history. Code review culture. Cloud DevOps teams. Review focuses on infrastructure impact, security permissions, cost implications, performance, rollback strategy, not personal opinions, blame, style wars. Why? Fewer outages, better reliability, knowledge sharing, CI/CD in Cloud DevOps workflow. Automation should run lint and format checks, run unit tests, run infrastructure validation, run security scans, deploy to staging, on every PR, run pipeline, run policy checks, validate templates. Why? Prevents broken deployments, saves time, builds confidence. Tools: GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, Azure DevOps, Jenkins, Argo CD. Common Cloud DevOps Git mistakes. Direct commits to main. No PR reviews. No tests. Manual production changes. No version tags. Why? High outage risk. Hard debugging. Poor audit trail. Naming conventions. Branches. Feature: Terraform VPC. Feature: CI/CD pipeline. Release: version 2.0.0. Hotfix: nginx config. Commits: add, fix, update, refactor. Example: fix auto-scaling policy. Why? Easy tracking, professional history, easy auditing. How Git workflow helps Cloud DevOps teams scale. As systems grow, more services, more engineers, more infrastructure, more users. Good workflow. Check mark keeps infra manageable. Check mark improves onboarding. Check mark reduces failures. Check mark controls complexity. Real life analogy. Cloud DevOps Git workflow is like air traffic control system. Without system, chaos. With system, safe flights. Branches equals routes. PRs equals safety checks. Main equals live skies. In simple words, Cloud DevOps Git workflow means change carefully, test everything, review changes, deploy safely. Best strategy for Cloud DevOps teams. Use check mark feature branches, check mark release branches, check mark mandatory PRs, check mark carbon monoxide CD automation, check mark protected main branch. Avoid cross mark direct main commits, cross mark no testing, cross mark no reviews. In Cloud DevOps teams, your code controls real infrastructure. A good Git workflow. Check mark protects production. Check mark supports teamwork. Check mark reduces outages. Check mark builds trust.